Hey guys, Kelly with JK Cuisine. So we have got a treat for you guys today. We are going to show you our experience at La Petite Chef on board the Celebrity Beyond. This is so cool, so imaginative. The food was great. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like, subscribe, share us to all your friends.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're JK Cuisine.
Colors of the new Italian flag. Red, the tomato sauce. White, the mozzarella cheese. And green, the basic toppings. And so the pizza margarita was born, which was so successful that the tomato became a popular ingredient in many different dishes. So please enjoy this ingredient which made such beautiful travels over different continents. On a side note, we, the French, were convinced that tomatoes had powerful romantic qualities, and so we called them pommes d'amour, love apples. So, if you fall deeply in love this evening, don't forget to invite me to your wedding. Bon appétit!
Merci.
Every evening, so your customers will say, such pepper, eat the spice, a bit of chili would be nice. Just watch out, your guests are on fire. And when you start it moving, your guests will be amazed. So move with my rules, that's how you learn to be a chef. Oops, luckily, I can cook better than I can sing. So, take a risk, add some flair to the meals that you prepare, and together with your team, you come closer to your dream. No worries about failing, we'll help you learn skills like roasting and boiling and steaming and chimneying, writing down the equation. Only think about the flavor, and you know you'll go far when you get that restaurant star.
Don't forget to take a picture.
Right. Glad you said that. Because no, I would. That's beautiful. Why that's so pretty. And Jody, thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh yeah. I was about to dig in.
I was going to take a picture here and do my same thing.
So how is it?
It's okay, it's got onion in it, you don't want
The radio have to endure.
Funny. that off. That's kind of cool.
You want to try some? It's chocolatey.
Ring?
Don't get you a big swap of it. That caramel's right in the middle.
Is that good?
That's good. That good chocolate.
Don't worry about it. Go at it.
Oh my goodness. We just do that.
Just in case you were wondering, and just in case that you didn't catch on to the eye rolls and the head nods, the Southern Charm, we threw in an oh my goodness just to make sure you know this is worth coming to enjoy dessert. If you eat nothing else, dessert was worth it. Well, we really hope that you enjoyed that La Petite Chef